And welcome guys, hope you are doing well. So today we'll see the issue we have in while changing the language. So if I change here English to Arabic, in this course ideally I should see this PDF string into converted into the Arabic, but yes, still it is not converting this one. And in my case this is just content of this, so I have added in only in English, so no issue with that. But this is the Moodle core stuffs, like the PDF we have, uh, announcements we have. Okay, cues you see here, the title will come up. Okay, so SCOM, maybe ideally it should change in a language, but it's a term, so it may not be changed. But the PDF, what you see, the PDF into Arabic, so English to Arabic, if I convert here, what we say PDF. Yeah, so PDF basically means this. Okay, and this is Arabic language. And what Moodle claim here, so if I come here on Moodle like 4.5 language pack, and I see Arabic, they are claiming to have the 100% of translation, but yeah, in reality it is not working like that. Okay, so yes, still you have to make this correction at your end. You can go for that one. How you can go, you'll have to come here with here it is mention this string, we'll have to change that. So how you can do that? So first you'll have to find the place where that is mentioned. So again, I'm not much familiar with the Arabic language, so going back to the English one. I'm here on language, I will be searching for the origin. Okay, so origin, yeah. So under debugging you will find the origin of language string. If I enable this one, okay, so if enable language string components and identifier are display when I add this. Okay, so I will have to add this in the here on URL. So in case I have already some parameters, I will be preferring this one. Okay, so let's do this one. So I click on the save change. You see here, so origin language string is enabled now. And here I come back and I see, okay, so in PDF I still don't see from here it will be coming. Okay, but for the most of I see here from profile Moodle it is coming, creates calendar. So this way you'll have to find the right stuffs, how you will get there. Okay, so in case this PDF I still not able to find this one, from here it is coming. So for not everything you will have that thing. Got it? So in case something is missing around this, you'll have to come here under this. Okay, and so these are basically the converting well. And if I come here under settings, I see the other field. This is just manually added, so that is why it is coming in only one language. Okay, yeah, got it. So if you come here, so mostly, yeah, you also see here the build. So it is not translating into the Arabic one, and they are still claiming to have 100% translation. So translation may be fine in 100%, but this string is still not coming from the language in Arabic. Correct. So if I, so this is my custom one. If I go back here into the English, I see the participants. So let me see whether all are converted here. Yeah, so string conversion looks good here at this. Okay, and if I come to this particular profile, I see it so almost looks good. And if I come here under message, I also see it's all fine. But again, it is giving some design message here. Well, so here on this page notification preferences, this ideally it should supposed to be translated, but still not coming. Okay, so that is again against this 100% translation. It may be translated, but here is still it is not coming, and I have updated uh, this. And if I come back here and to see my language pack is all updated, so again here I can see the language pack, and I can see this is Arabic, and from here I can update all install language pack. So not just this select on, everything will be updated. I guess it will not take more time. So within a minute it should be updated. Well, so we see here almost every language around the world we have. We see the language pack format. So it's coming error reading from database. Not sure why it is come up. Wow, yeah. So all your language pack are up to date. No update needed. Okay. So again, going back to that Arabic language here and coming to this notification page. Yeah. So in Arabic, so I see some of the updated now. Okay, but it's still this not sure what this is. Report detail. So this is just the custom one, so I don't think that is required, but yes. So after upgrade, I see the 100% translation on this particular page. Got it? So coming back here on this, still it is missing first upgrade because I just updated this time. Got it? So again coming back to the course page. The courses I see manage class and subjects, and coming to LMS training under view. Again I am going to change the language here. Yeah, to Arabic. And I see, yeah, the PDF is still it is not coming from the language. Okay, but yes, in case you still have to translate your custom one, this will you'll have to do at your end, and of course you will find the video around this particular topic. I will paste that direct link within this description of this video. Thank you for watching, and